Hi, this is Ravi Shrinivasan. I'm the founder of AI Intellect. I found Bowl BI through a path of going through syncfusion first. So we wanted a strong reporting environment that was self-driven and user-driven as well, and could be used by our analysts. So we had actually gone to syncfusion, and then from syncfusion we were introduced to Bowl BI, and then we came to Bowl BI, and that's how we got introduced your product, and then liked what we saw in order to proceed. We were actually looking for a dashboarding solution and a report building solution that we could use for multiple purposes. So we needed a few functions like let an analyst or an end user create their own dashboards and their own reporting. And we wanted to be embedded also within our application. That was also crucial. So when we saw both of the features being built and done quite easily, and more important, our end users could use the tool too, that allowed us to firm up the decision to move forward. But not the first. I have used Pentaho before. I've used Bowl BI. I've used not Bowl BI. Sorry, I used Power Builder, and we've also used Logi Analytics before we came to your platform, Bowl BI. Well, there are always three things. I mean, when you look at doing a switch, number one is, does it meet the requirements where there's a shortcoming? In our case, it was a shortcoming of end user capable tool, right? And fast and easy to build dashboards. Second thing is embedding inside your application. It's got to be easy to do. And the third is, of course, economics. So all three factors met what we were looking for from a time to market and a price performance ratio. So that's what we proceeded with. The most important thing, I think, in Bowl BI is the support team. So they listen, they hear, and if there's something we want as an enhancement to the product, they take it back to the product team and actually get it delivered. So that, number one, probably the most important thing, right? And that's important because every product's not going to be a great fit, not going to be perfect. And therefore, as you implement and go down the path, you need that flexibility. So that is the number one thing, the support team. The other things are more features and functions. Like, it is easy to build a dashboard. It's easy to construct it with a click and drop kind of function. You could do more complex functions if you needed to as well. And we could, with the tools already given, we could easily train an end user to use the tool. And from an embedding point of view, it was really easy. We could build a dashboard, call from anywhere, and it would easily pop up and it'll appear as part of the application, which is what we wanted. So if I look at the combination of those are what stand out for me on how we use the Bowl BI platform. From our perspective, when we start our day and we do our huddles, we use the Bowl BI dashboards to drive the huddles. So it actually has what we need to talk about, isolate what we need to discuss, identify what we need to deal with as problems. So we do use it from that perspective, from a day-to-day basis. Our customers tend to do exactly the same thing. So we provide them facilities to, by area of their business, they go in and they have the same functions ready to go. So they're ready with their top 5 things that they need to perform today, and at every level of the organization. So it's consistent, and when they use it that way, they're more effective and efficient, because by the time a problem comes downhill from an executive that's looking at a different set of reports, you've already probably covered it. If I'm in the middle layer or the lower level manager, I already know what the problems are, so I'm already trying to address it, which makes the company go better and it makes it more efficient, is what I'd say. I recommend dashboarding software very highly from Bowl BI due to price performance, due to the support team, and you should not underplay the support team. They do a great job, and the functionality, the core functions itself. We are expanding. We're looking at the AI initiatives. We've seen it. We've given some ideas back on how to expand it, and we're trying to play a crucial part in that as well. and trying to work with the product team as well to see if we can um, increase the agentic kind of framework built in. So it's a great ground level work in AI, and now we're trying to see, okay, how do we verticalize and how do we deploy it? So yes, we're looking forward to all the AI parameters that are coming out. We use the Bull BI platform in one of our core product lines called Customer Lifetime Value, which is about increasing customer lifetime value. And that's all about analytics and dashboards that come out. But we make the dashboard live and actionable, and Bull BI really helps us do that. And therefore, any business that wants to keep increasing a customer's lifetime value with the business, that's what we do. And what Bull BI does for us is, with some of the AI algorithms now, and also with the dashboarding capability, we're able to execute what we need to do. So we're very happy with the partnership. We're very happy with the way the relationship is progressing. And I do want to give again kudos to your support team. I think they do a great job. I think the product team, because they listen to customer feedback and they attempt to solve the problem.